Good morning, this is Data Explorers and I'm Jessica Johnson. Some regulatory news first of all. Donald Williams, the Chief Investment Officer at Sydney-based Platypus Management, which oversees the equivalent of around $768 million, has said that short selling is not a factor in the share price declines or stock market volatility we have seen this year after the conclusion of a research paper. Taiwan has terminated its short selling ban earlier than expected today and has put a number of supporting measures in place instead. The country partially lifted a ban on short selling on November the 27th that was supposed to last until the end of the year. Today we are focusing on energy companies amid news yesterday that oil fell under $50 a barrel. The four stocks we're going to look at are Exxon, Total, BP and PetroCanada. ExxonMobil currently has 0.88 of its shares outstanding on loan, with utilisation at 4.08%. This is an increase from 0.2% in September, even though the stock opened up 2.5% today. The price has remained around the $80 mark for the past 3 months, despite a trough down to $65 in mid-October. Total SA has 10% of its shares outstanding on loan, having peaked at dividend trading at 20% earlier on this last month, with utilisation at 30% now. The stock is up 3.2% today, even though short interest is relatively high. The share price has fallen in the last 3 months from around 50 to 43 euros. BP has 1.4% of its shares outstanding on loan, down from 2.2% in late October. Utilisation is at 4.5%, down from 7% in the same time frame, so some short covering in this stock, which is also up around 3% in share price today. Like Exxon, BP remains around the same price for the last 3 months, falling down from 533p in August to 350p in late October and back up to the 533p mark now. PetroCanada has 1.19 of its shares outstanding on loan, up from 0.75% on November the 18th. Utilisation is just under 2.4%. PetroCanada's share price has fallen from 46 Canadian dollars in August to 34 now, although this has risen from 20 Canadian dollars on November the 20th. Thanks very much. Have a great day.